Hello everyone, once again welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today in this new video we will see how to fix tap to download problem in iMessages and also in iMessages photos or videos not downloading issue. So in this video we will see how to fix the issue. In this full video I will show you some solutions, so please watch this full video to learn how it works. Now let's get started. First solution is turn off iMessages on your iPhone. To turn off iMessages on your device, first of all go to settings, then your tap on messages. Now here you can see iMessage option. Simply turn toggle off next to iMessage option. So it will turn off iMessages. So that was the first solution. Now we will see second solution. Second solution is turn on and off airplane mode on your device. To turn on or off airplane mode on your device, go to settings. Now here you can see airplane mode option. Now turn toggle on next to airplane mode, wait for a while and again turn it off. So that is how you can fix the issue. Now we will see third solution. Third solution is check available storage on your device. If your device doesn't have enough storage, your iPhone or iPad may not download the images or videos. Now we will check how much space your device has. To do that, first of all go to settings. Now tap on general and here tap on iPhone storage. If you don't have a lot of storage, you may need to free up some space. You will probably see a list of recommendations that you can follow. That was the third solution. Now we will see fourth solution. Fourth solution is turn off messages from iCloud. To turn off messages from iCloud, first of all open the settings app. Now here tap on your Apple ID. Next here tap on iCloud. Now here simply turn toggle off next to messages. So that is how easily you can turn off messages from iCloud and also you can fix the issue. Now we will see fifth solution. Fifth solution is sign out and back into your Apple ID. To do that, first of all go to settings on your device. Now here scrolling down and tap on messages. Now turn toggle on next to iMessages. Next tap on send and receive. Next here you will see your mobile number and mail ID. Tap on that. Now tap on sign out. Now you are signed out from your Apple ID. Now wait for 5 to 10 minutes and again sign into your Apple ID. Next solution is update your iPhone or iPad. To update your device, first of all go to settings, then here tap general. Now tap on software update and here you will find your software update. If update is available, then update to the latest version. So that's how you can update your iPhone or iPad. And now we will see next solution. Reset network settings. To reset network settings, first of all go to settings, then here tap on general. Now scrolling down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Next here tap on reset option. Next tap on reset network settings. Now enter your passcode and again tap on reset network settings. So this is how you can reset network settings on your iPhone. And also you can fix the issue of tap to download problem in iMessages, photos or videos not downloading issue. I hope this video is very helpful for you all, and if you still have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much.